Well, let's take a look at how we can add images and do some customization in Aldelo Express. This allows you as the restaurant owner or the referral partner to take our software, customize it, and make it almost like a white label product just for that one install. This then changes the look of our software to be so customizable that it's a one-of-a-kind installation. So let's start with our login screen. This is in most of the demos you've seen on our site, we've taken the time to put an image behind the login screen. This image can be a static image. It can also be a series of 8 images that rotate every 30 seconds. You can also have a GIF, which means it's a photograph or an image that actually has movement to it. You can also put in the store logo. So this is a very customizable screen for the restaurant. Next up is you can add images to items and modifiers. This allows you to take advantage of the logos for some of the branded products that you might sell, like Coke, Pepsi, any of the beer logos. This really helps in the speed of operation. Those major brands have spent billions of dollars to educate and train us to look for their logos. It's much easier to see the Coke logo or the Budweiser logo, find it on the screen, than it is to read Coke or Bud. So use those images to attract your server to those buttons for actually they'll speed up the speed of service. You can also use modifiers, images on modifiers as well. The beauty of it, this is, if whatever you put on the point of sale actually switches over and ports over to the other modules, such as the kiosk module or the online ordering module or the QR code ordering module. These other modules that we have in the system all use the same database and therefore have the same item images on them as well. There is a feature in the programming area where you can program a detailed picture or upload something that is a little more detail of that item. For instance, you might have an image of the item to ring up, but if you want to show the server or the operator the plated food or how it looks when it's coming out of the kitchen, put that as the detailed image. You access this by taking 2 fingers and touching the button on the screen. It will then pop this image up as well as a description to the right. This description can be allergens, it can be how it's prepared, it could be all the ingredients, whatever you think's best for that operation. That same detailed image can be displayed on the kitchen display system. So if you have an item that's in the kitchen on the KDS and the cook or the prep person wants to see what that should look like on a plate, then touch that item and you'll get the detailed image on the kitchen display. You can use images to help you on the order type screen, to goes and takeouts and whatever. You have the ability to add an image to that button. I've also uploaded images to the tables. So you can have a table that shows the 4 top, a 6 top, a 2 top. You can then, what you're seeing here is I've uploaded images for the patio. So I've got tables with umbrellas. You can do bar stools for the bar. So whatever image you think is appropriate for that particular seating area, you can upload that to your system. Aldelo Express also comes with a rear-facing customer display. When it's in a screensaver mode, you can have images that will rotate through, or in this case, I've actually added a video that will show the food as it's being displayed. You have that option. So whether it's an advertising video about your restaurant a video or a commercial for a product, any kind of advertisement that you'd like to run, you can do that on your rear-facing customer display. Once the order has begun, a image or an advertisement will pop up to the left or the right as you determine. You have your option of having the left side image or a right side image or a banner across the top. So there's 3 different options for displaying a advertisement while the order is being rung up. You'll see on the right here, the ticket window is to the right with the image to the left. You have a printed receipt with a logo as well as a logo on your email receipt. So this image can be uploaded to the store logo, a receipt logo, and an email receipt logo. And then obviously last here is the kiosk. And we have the ability to put images on the kiosk as well. So when your customer is walking up to the kiosk, advertisements can be running. You can have multiple images and that will then advertise your daily specials or any other thing that you'd like for that customer or guest to see. If you have questions, would like to learn more, you can always call us at 800-801-6036 or visit any one of the websites in our family of websites.